Hi, today I'm going to show you a wig from GlamVigor. And GlamVigor has synthetic wigs from budget friendly, say under $99 euros, and on up to only about 229 euros is basically what you're going to see on their website. And of course, with the discount code that I'll share with you, you'll get another % off that, a discount from it. So great company to get a good budget friendly. I know I show you a lot of high-end wigs a lot of times, human hair wigs, but you're going to like being able, if this is what you're looking for, is something within that price range that I mentioned, GlamVigor is a good company to look at. So this first one I'm going to show you is this beautiful, really platinum silver color, which you know I love those. I love everything, but I've showed you a lot of pixies in the higher end wigs. This is a basic cap. And so many times I hear you say, those high ends are great, but that's not in my budget and I'm looking for something budget friendly. The other reason for a good budget friendly wig is, guess what? You can have more than one wig that way and have different colors and different lengths. So this is a good place to go if you want to build up your wig wardrobe. So let's take a look. When I'm saying basic cap, I mean meaning that it has a hard front and it has this velvet at the front of the wig. You can see here they sent me this really great, along with the wig that they sent me, a wig grip with lace that goes all the way from here to here and down where the part line would be. So I really like it. It's very comfortable. And they sent it to me inside, and you'll get one too. Okay, the other thing is these velvet ear tabs with metal stays in it, but they really gave a lot of the hair sewn into, the fiber sewn into the inside. And I love that because when you pull it out, it's going to really hide the fact that you're wearing a wig. So of course, that's what we're trying to always do, is fool the public eye. And as you can see, here's the open wefting. It is very, you can see they put in a lot of wefting, and it has the velvet nape with the bra strap type of adjusters. I think this runs a little bit, it's average to petite average. So if you're larger than 22 inches, this probably isn't going to be a good fit. And of course, anytime that you add a wig grip on, it's going to add about ½ an inch, honestly. But let's go ahead and get this on. I know you want to know. So first thing I do when I got this out of the box is I want to wake the fibers up and see what direction are the fibers going. So this kind of has a crown type of part there. So all this hair is meant to kind of go forward when I'm combing it. And I like to turn it upside down and just with the wide tooth comb, kind of really brush it out and wake that up. And yeah, I like that. There is permatease in this. Permatease is so important. Why is permatease important? Especially when you're wearing a silver white wig. Those wefts are going to show up. If your hair flies up or moves forward or moves up, it's going to show up. So permatease is your friend. I promise you. It's for volume. Because what is one of the first things I do with this short, thin hair? Look at how thin that is. You know what I do with it? When I am trying to make it work, I tease it. Yeah, I get in there with the rat comb and tease it as close to the scalp as I can get it to get some volume. So that's what permatease are for. They're just recreating what you're trying to do with your own bio hair to get volume. Okay, without putting a lot of density into it. So what you're going to do is grab it at the nape. Let me get this adjuster in again. You're going to grab it at the nape, put your head in, and just like that, put it on. Now, wigs are crazy when you first put them on because you're going to have to make this wig your own. And I'm going to pull the hairs that are underneath the ear tabs, pull them out. I'm going to pull them out like that, okay? And because, like I said, it looked to me like when I was combing this and with that part back here, that it's really designed to come in a forward look. So you may be wanting to make this quite traditional looking. I want to make it look trendy and fun and adorable. So let's try that first. So see what I'm doing? Finger combing. Now you can use water on this. And see, I think that by combing through all that, it really got some height and volume in this and kept that from looking so set. Do you know when you sit like it just box hair, I think is one of the things I think it looked like. And isn't styled and given any type of look yet. And see what I'm talking about? How cute that is, pulling that forward, those hairs that they had under there, pulling that forward, and then getting this just fun pixie look. Let's see if I can show you what's going on in the back. What I like about it is how nicely that nape lays down. It fits. It just looks like it's been such a high-end haircut to do that. And of course you can get in there and zhuzh it up. And just like that, you have a really cute style. Now, since it's a hard front, this is meant to wear these bangs down. Now, let's see what else we can do with it just by raking our fingers through it. So, like I said, it doesn't have a part because this is basic cap. But I want to get it to where I think some of you ladies that want it just a little bit more subdued, and that's okay if that's your style and you're a lady that wants your hair more subdued, then see how I'm just going to do like that, take my fingers and then comb it down, raking through there. I'm going to comb it down. Now this doesn't have a part, so you're still going to need to have it coming a bit forward because you can't get a part line in this. And just like that, you're going to have it a bit more subdued. See, like that, smooth it. If you're wanting a really, what's the word I want? Just subdued, yeah. Maybe you like to have your hair just set, just casual looking, or like this. See, I think that's really pretty. And I like to just go ahead and pull those down, pull that a little bit down for a sideburn. And you've got a hairstyle that looks more classic, maybe ready for church, maybe just ready for the day. Let's show that all the way around. Isn't that back pretty? And I want you to see that this shine is a very natural shine. My bio hair is this shiny, but this doesn't have that type of shine that some synthetic fibers have. I think this one is very soft. It's not bright shining. I'm sitting here with daylight coming in, so that's why you're getting a bit of shine on it. But I promise you, if you want to do what we all do, everybody that wears wigs, I suggest you do this. Brunette. They make this in brunette, dry shampoo. And just like that, I just think that, see how that to me just makes it a softer shine. It looks very natural. Anybody that says that looks too shiny, I want to show you my bio hair. It's much shinier than this. Okay, so there you go. I think this is great. This is on the website and the link below. This is GBC 017. And like I said, I think it's a really great budget-friendly cap to be able to add to your wig wardrobe and to add, maybe it's your first one. So if you're a beginner out there and you're one of those ladies who have silver, gray, white hair that's thinning, and you've lost a lot of that hair and you need help, but you're afraid to go out there and get a wig and spend money on it, this is a great first-time beginner wig to get used to wearing a wig, to be able to afford one, to jump in there, test the water, and see how much you're going to enjoy a wig. GlamVigor is a great place to go source for that type of wig and many others, because I've got another one coming up in another video. I think you're going to love it too. But it's longer and it's got a little bit more bells and whistles, but check this one out. It's on the website now, and be sure and use my code MEL10 to be able to get a discount.